Most people over 60 think weak eyesight is permanent, but here is the shocking truth. Your eyes may feel old only because they are missing one simple support. One food can help your vision feel years younger if used correctly. Stay till the end to learn it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment where you're watching from. Even over 60, many seniors quietly notice that their vision does not feel the same anymore. Reading becomes tiring, colors look dull, and eyes feel dry or strained, especially in the morning. Most people believe this is just aging and that nothing can be done except stronger glasses. But doctors now explain that vision does not suddenly weaken because of age alone. It weakens slowly when eye cells are not nourished properly, especially at night when repair should happen. During sleep, the eyes recover from daily light, screens, and strain. If the body lacks the right nutrients before bed, this repair stays incomplete. That is why many seniors wake up with tired eyes even after sleeping well. The surprising truth is that certain simple foods can support eye repair naturally and gently, without medicine or heavy supplements. What you eat matters, but timing matters even more. Light, nutrient-rich foods help the eyes heal while you rest. We are starting with a food many people overlook because it seems too simple, yet it quietly supports clearer and more comfortable vision. Number 3. Romaine lettuce may look like an ordinary leafy vegetable, but it plays a powerful role in eye health. Romaine lettuce is rich in vitamin A, lutein, and antioxidants that protect eye cells from damage. Vitamin A helps maintain clear vision and supports the surface of the eyes, reducing dryness and irritation. Lutein is especially important because it protects the sensitive parts of the eye from light damage, which builds up over years. As people age, the eyes become more sensitive to light and glare, and romaine lettuce helps filter this stress naturally. Another benefit of romaine lettuce is hydration. Dry eyes are one of the biggest complaints among seniors, and dehydration makes vision feel blurry and uncomfortable. Romaine lettuce contains a high amount of water, which helps keep eye tissues moist and comfortable during the night. It also supports gentle circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach the eyes while you sleep. Better circulation means eyes feel lighter and more responsive in the morning. Romaine lettuce is easy to digest, making it suitable for evening meals without disturbing sleep. Heavy foods slow recovery, but light greens support it. The key is simplicity. A small portion is enough to deliver benefits. More is not better. Consistency matters more than quantity. When eaten regularly, romaine lettuce quietly supports eye comfort, reduces strain, and helps maintain clearer vision over time. Many seniors notice their eyes feel less tired and more relaxed when they include it as part of their routine. This food prepares the eyes for deeper support by calming inflammation and protecting eye cells. In the next part, we will talk about another food that works from the inside by supporting blood flow and eye focus, helping vision feel even stronger and more youthful day by day. Number 2. Green peas may look small and simple, but they provide powerful support for aging eyes, especially after 60. Many seniors experience vision problems not only because of damage to the eyes, but because the eyes are not receiving steady nourishment from the blood. Poor circulation and weak nutrient delivery can make vision feel dull, slow to adjust, and easily strained. Green peas help address this problem by supporting both eye nutrition and blood flow in a gentle, natural way. Green peas are rich in plant-based protein, vitamins, and minerals that help eye cells stay strong. They contain vitamin C and antioxidants that protect eye tissues from oxidative stress caused by daily light exposure. This stress slowly damages eye cells over time, leading to blurry vision and discomfort. By reducing oxidative stress, green peas help preserve eye clarity and comfort, especially when consumed regularly. One of the most important benefits of green peas is their support for healthy blood flow. Good circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach the eyes efficiently. When circulation is weak, the eyes do not recover well during sleep, and vision feels tired in the morning. Green peas help support the blood vessels that deliver nutrients to the eyes, improving overnight recovery. This can make vision feel fresher and more responsive upon waking. Green peas also support nerve function, which is essential for clear vision. Vision is not just about the eyes. It is also about how signals travel from the eyes to the brain. If these signals weaken, focus becomes slow and unclear. The nutrients in green peas help protect nerve pathways, allowing visual information to travel more smoothly. This can improve focus and reduce the feeling of visual lag that many seniors experience. Another benefit of green peas is their role in reducing inflammation. Chronic low-level inflammation is common in aging bodies and affects eye comfort and clarity. Inflammation makes eyes feel sensitive and strained. Green peas contain compounds that help calm this inflammation, creating a healthier environment for eye cells to function. This calming effect is especially helpful at night, when the eyes should be resting and repairing. Green peas are also gentle on digestion, making them suitable for evening meals. Heavy or spicy foods can disturb sleep and slow recovery, but green peas provide nourishment without burdening the digestive system. They support steady energy without stimulation, which helps the body focus on repair during sleep. Another overlooked benefit of green peas is their contribution to eye muscle strength. Small muscles around the eyes help control focus and movement. When these muscles weaken, vision can feel unstable or tiring. The nutrients in green peas support muscle function, helping these tiny muscles stay responsive and strong. This can improve comfort when reading or shifting focus between objects. Consistency is key when using green peas for eye health. Occasional intake may not show noticeable results, but regular use allows the body to adapt and improve. Small portions are enough. Overeating is unnecessary and may cause discomfort. The goal is steady support, not overload. Many seniors who include green peas regularly notice gradual improvements. Vision feels steadier, eyes feel less strained, and focus becomes easier. These changes build slowly, which is a sign of true nourishment rather than temporary stimulation. Green peas work best as part of a system. They support circulation, nerve function, and inflammation control, preparing the eyes for deeper nourishment. In the next part, we will talk about a food that directly protects the most sensitive part of the eye and supports long-term clarity, completing the vision support routine in a powerful way. Number 1. Sweet corn may surprise many people, but it is one of the most powerful foods for supporting eye vision after 60 when used correctly. As people age, the most sensitive part of the eye, responsible for sharp and detailed vision, becomes weaker and more vulnerable to damage. This often leads to blurry vision, poor contrast, and difficulty seeing clearly in bright or low light. Sweet corn helps protect this sensitive area naturally by providing nutrients that directly support eye structure and function. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two important compounds that act like natural filters inside the eyes. These compounds help protect the eyes from harmful light and reduce long-term damage caused by daily exposure. When these protective nutrients are low, the eyes age faster and vision feels dull. Sweet corn helps restore this protection gently, especially when eaten regularly. Another major benefit of sweet corn is its support for nerve signaling between the eyes and the brain. Clear vision depends on how fast and accurately visual signals travel. As people get older, these signals can slow down, making vision feel delayed or unfocused. Sweet corn provides nutrients that help maintain healthy nerve communication, allowing visual information to move more smoothly. This can make focusing easier and reduce eye fatigue. Sweet corn also supports eye energy at a cellular level. Aging eye cells often struggle to produce enough energy, which leads to tired and strained eyes. The natural carbohydrates and nutrients in sweet corn help eye cells stay active without causing spikes or stress. This steady energy support helps the eyes feel more responsive and comfortable throughout the day. Another important role of sweet corn is reducing inflammation inside the eyes. Chronic inflammation silently damages eye tissues and accelerates vision decline. Sweet corn contains antioxidants that help calm this inflammation, creating a healthier environment for eye repair. This calming effect is especially helpful at night, when the eyes should be resting and recovering. Sweet corn also supports hydration, which is essential for eye comfort. Dry eyes are a common problem among seniors and can make vision feel blurry or irritated. The natural water content and nutrients in sweet corn help maintain moisture balance, supporting smoother and clearer vision. Sweet corn is easy to digest and does not burden the body, making it suitable for evening meals. Heavy foods can slow repair, but simple foods like sweet corn support recovery instead. Portion size matters. A small amount is enough to deliver benefits. Overeating is unnecessary and may reduce comfort. Consistency is what makes sweet corn effective. When eaten regularly, it helps protect eye cells, support nerve signals, and maintain clarity over time. Many seniors notice that their eyes feel less strained and more stable when sweet corn becomes part of their routine. Sweet corn completes the vision support system by protecting sensitive eye areas and maintaining long-term clarity. In the final part, we will bring all these foods together and explain how they work as a team to help senior vision feel stronger, clearer, and more youthful again. When these three foods are used together, they create a complete and gentle support system for senior eye vision after 60. Each food works in a different way, but all of them help the eyes repair, protect, and function better over time. One food supports hydration and light protection, another improves circulation and nerve communication, and the last protects the most sensitive part of the eye while maintaining clarity. When combined, they help the eyes recover during sleep and perform better during the day. One of the biggest benefits of this routine is reduced eye strain. Many seniors feel their eyes get tired quickly, even without heavy use. This happens when eye cells are under stress and do not recover well at night. These foods help calm inflammation and provide antioxidants that protect eye tissues from daily damage. Over time, eyes feel more relaxed and comfortable, especially in the morning. Another important benefit is improved focus and clarity. Aging eyes often struggle to adjust between light and dark or near and far objects. By supporting nerve signals and eye muscle function, this routine helps vision respond more smoothly. Colors may appear brighter, contrast improves, and focusing becomes easier. These changes happen gradually, which shows that the eyes are being nourished rather than temporarily stimulated. This routine also supports long-term eye protection. Vision problems often develop slowly due to years of oxidative stress and light exposure. The nutrients in these foods help protect eye cells from further damage, slowing the aging process. This does not mean eyesight becomes perfect overnight, but it helps preserve what you have and improve comfort. Simplicity is what makes this approach effective. There is no need for expensive supplements or complicated plans. Small portions eaten regularly are enough. The body responds best to steady support. Consistency matters more than quantity. Even simple foods can have a powerful effect when used correctly. It is important to listen to your body and keep portions light, especially in the evening. These foods support repair without disturbing sleep, which is essential for eye health. Over time, this routine can help seniors feel more confident in their vision and daily activities. If you found this information helpful, take a moment to like the video and support the channel. Subscribe for more simple and practical senior health tips designed to help you protect your vision naturally. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us where you are watching from. Taking care of your eyes today can help you see more clearly and comfortably in the years ahead.